All right, dear ones. Let's talk about unlocking inner peace through meditation. Meditate morning and night. Don't waste your time on distractions. Once in a while, let your mind roam, but don't be bound by attachment to anything. Take time in seclusion and meditate. At first, your mind will rebel against your will, but stay earnest, and you'll find that nothing else satisfies like meditation. When I close my eyes, the joy of God possesses me. This is something real, deep within my heart. The best time to be with God is at night. Never go to bed unless you've communed with Him. Anytime, anywhere, say to Him, Lord, I want Thee above everything else. Tempt me with all things, but I desire only Thy presence. When you say this from your heart, God will respond. You'll realize there's no point in detecting your faults or those of others, no matter how Satan tries to sway me. Even after years on this path, I see that I have God. He is always in my heart. My faults may have been many, but my love for God has drowned them. I am free in my heart. No desire stalks me there. I love Him more than anything else, and if He so desires, I am ready to scrub floors to express my love for Him. So, meditate. Find that inner peace and let the joy of God fill your heart. Close your eyes and unlock the freedom that lies within. Thank you for joining me. And remember, peace is within your reach. Namaste.